Hi everyone. So this is the weekly update video. In this video, I'm going to talk about some shout outs for some students who did amazing work last week. I'm also going to explain the colored groups and how that will affect you and what work you need to accomplish this week. And I'm going to talk about this week's incentive. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about these shout outs. So all of the kids that are on my screen, Yodalis, Salu, Celise, Sadia, Nate, Lorena, Karen, Carter, Lena, Leah, Abdul, Abigail, Araya, Anna, Bryant, Byron, Carmen, Diana, Deshawn, Delilah, Asias, Glorielle, Hezian, Jay, Liz, Mary, Mariah, Jaden, Jaylene, Jalissa, and Joseph all turned in 100% of their assignments for this week. That means every single assignment last week they turned in and were able to get graded on time. Awesome work. Students who get 100% this week earn an awesome incentive. So let's make sure we get all of these kids and more kids to earn the incentive this week. I'll be talking about that later. But first I want to explain how, let's see, can I move this? Oh, I can. Fabulous. Okay. So I want to explain the groups for this week. The reason why I chose to do differentiated groups or groups doing different work is because I started noticing students were struggling with different skills. And so in order for me to do my job the way that I need to and the best job that I can, and to make sure that you get practice on the things that you need help with, I developed these 5 different colored groups. So the red group has an additional meet from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. And their goal for this week is to make up missing work. Folks that are in the red group had at least 3 missing assignments from last week. We will make sure that you get the support that you need to ensure success on these assignments. Folks in the blue group, you will be attending the morning meeting just like normal, and all of your assignments will be focused on theme. This is because throughout the last week or two, I noticed that you were struggling with theme type questions. And therefore, if you're in the blue group, you'll be focusing on theme this week. If you got an email that said that you're in the yellow group, and if your assignments say yellow group, then you will also be attending the morning meetings and you'll have inference-focused work. This means predictions and inferences or taking educated guesses about things that we don't know based on what we do know in the text. For those of you who are in the green group this week, you're working on character, specifically character development and character interactions. You'll also be attending the morning meetings just like normal. Your work will be focused on characters. And finally, the last group, the purple group, you will have the option of attending the morning meetings just like always, and your work will be focused on writing, specifically getting used to using the quote sandwich in short responses. So, pause there for a second. That was a lot of information. The important part is you will have assignments that have a color next to them. If the email you received this morning does not match the color for the assignments you are assigned, or for whatever reason you're assigned more than one assignment for today, please, please, please email me. That's not normal. You should only have one group. You should only be doing one assignment. Please make sure that you are all set up and you have no questions. You know exactly what group you're in. This will make this week way easier. Again, if you're not sure what group you're in, or if you got mixed messages in the email versus the assignments, please email me. I've had students emailing me all day today, making sure that they got the right work. Awesome advocating for learning there. Okay. Oh, the meets for today. This is something that I didn't think to add into my slides, but are really important. The meets, we're going to be reviewing the different big skills. So we're going to be reviewing predictions and inferences. We'll be reviewing writing with quote sandwiches. We'll be reviewing character development, and we'll be reviewing theme. So again, we're still just focused on Act 1 and Act 2. We're really trying to make sure that we have a strong understanding of these acts before moving on to Act 3 next week. All right, now it's time. So I'm really excited about this week's incentive. Some of you who attended the morning meeting already know it. This week's incentive is that each student who completes all of their assignments for the week by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So your assignment for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday all must be completed by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. You will be invited to watch my boyfriend. Yes, I have a boyfriend. Some of you know, some of you don't. My boyfriend do my makeup. So he's going to have full access to all of the makeup that I own, and he's going to get to do it however he chooses. If you want to see that, if you want to see my boyfriend, if you want to make fun of how my face is inevitably going to look at the end, please complete all of your assignments by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. There will be reminders and announcements about this incentive throughout the week. But please remember, if you've got no other reason to get homework done, do it so you can make fun of me. Okay? So with all of that said, happy Monday. I love you and I miss you. Please stay in touch. Email me, text me, call me, whatever you got to do to make sure that you get the support that you need. All right. Be well.